Hello, this is Ifoma here again today from Legal Junction. Today I want us to discuss about the recent issue, the trending issue about Maruf, Abdullahi Maruf Adisa, who allegedly sexualized a 10-year-old girl. I don't know how many of us saw the video, but I saw the video online and I found it very disturbing and annoying that somebody will look at a 10-year-old girl, a child for crying out loud, a minor that is not up to 18 years old, an innocent girl, and he was asking the girl to describe his genitals, to describe his private part. And you know, I didn't find it funny at all, even though in the video I was just hearing he was laughing and people around were laughing, but to me it's not funny at all. Why would it be a child, an innocent child that knows nothing? And when the child even said in the video that she doesn't know, that she doesn't see, she did not see it, she did not know, you know, he was forcing the child. He even took off his slippers as if he wanted to, you know, hit the girl. I know maybe he didn't mean it, he could be playing, as if he wanted to hit the girl. And the girl started crying and said, okay, I will talk, you know, it is like this, it is like that. And he was laughing and he was finding it funny. And I wonder how that video sounds funny or looked funny in any way to anybody. And now to the main issue. What does the law say about this? The law that protects the rights of children is known as the Child Rights Act. So many states have domesticated this law, thereby calling it the child rights law of each of the states that domesticated it. Example, Lagos State has the child rights law of Lagos State. Some other states that have domesticated the law has child rights law of that state. But for the states that have not domesticated and for the Federal Capital Territory, they still use the Child Rights Act. Section 32 of the Child Rights Act states that any person who sexually abuses or sexually exploits a child in any manner commits an offense and is liable upon conviction for 14 years. This same Child Rights Act also provides that every child has a right to dignity of human person. The same Child Rights Act also imports the provisions of Chapter 4 of the 1999 Constitution, which are the fundamental human rights, into the Child Rights Act, which means those fundamental human rights that adults are entitled to, every Nigerian child is also entitled to those rights, in addition to other rights like right to education, right to a name, right to protection from sexual abuse, right to protection from any form of violence, and the rest of them. And when I was watching this video, I began to analyze it. Number one, you are forcing this girl. It's not as if the girl is a talking type that just wanted to, you know, describe or say what she saw. No, he was compelling the girl to say something she does not even know. The girl was crying and saying it. And he was not even thinking about the psychological welfare of this child. All he cares about is that it was sounding funny to him and he's laughing, that the people around are laughing, and at the end of the day he posts it into social media and he uses it to make his money, and I don't understand. So please, whatever we are doing, we should be mindful of what the law says about it. Let's try and be doing the right thing. The Nigerian law is completely and totally against sexualizing a child or any sexual. A lot of parents do it. Oh, you will see a parent teaching the child how to do different kind of adult dance step. Let me not even go into that. I even heard that the parents of the child are there, which means they might even be among the people that we are laughing, that we are finding the whole thing funny. And now the court has remanded the Trinity guy, that's Abdullahi Maruf Adisa. The court also remanded the parents of the girl to show you that what they did was completely and totally against the law. It is their duty as parents to protect their child from any form of whether sexual, emotional, psychological exploitation. It is their duty as parents to protect that child. So you as a parent, what are you doing to protect your child? Do you just allow anybody to come out from anywhere and use your child to create any kind of content? You better think twice today. The fact that you are the parent to that child does not mean that you have the right to exploit the child or to allow other people to exploit the child. It is your duty to protect the child. So if you now decide to exploit your own child, the government can come against you. The law can come after you. So I hope that we learned one or two things from this video. Please protect your child. Your child has the right to dignity. Your child has the right not to be sexualized. Your child has the right to be psychologically and emotionally protected. Do not allow people, because of money or for other personal gain, to exploit your child. So as you're watching my video, if you know you like it, you can give me a thumbs up. And if you know you like our videos, because I'll be making video regularly telling us what the law says about certain situations. Actually, the aim of this Legal Junction is to teach us the law. So if you are interested or you like my videos, you can just subscribe so that whenever I make any video, you'll be the first to get notification about it. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye.